Welcome to A2Zintech. Compose AI is a revolutionary Chrome extension that takes your writing experience to a whole new level. If you've ever faced challenges with crafting engaging and cohesive content, this AI-powered tool is here to transform your writing process. Struggling to find the right words? Writing can be a daunting task, especially when you find yourself struggling to find the perfect words to convey your message effectively. The fear of sounding repetitive or lacking clarity can hinder your creativity and impact. Time-consuming editing and proofreading. Editing and proofreading are essential to producing high-quality content, but they can consume a significant amount of time. It's easy to get stuck in a never-ending loop of revisions, delaying your ability to deliver your work promptly. Smart sentence, completions, and phrasing suggestions. Compose AI addresses the first problem by offering intelligent sentence completions and alternative phrasing suggestions in real time as you type. Powered by Advanced Natural Language Processing, NLP, this AI tool analyzes your writing and understands the context to provide relevant and contextually appropriate suggestions. With Compose AI, you'll effortlessly find the right words and keep your writing engaging and fresh. Time-saving editing and grammar corrections. No more manual editing or proofreading. Compose AI's AI-driven capabilities help identify and correct grammar errors, ensuring your writing is polished and error-free. This time-saving solution allows you to focus on generating ideas and creating compelling content without the worry of grammar slip-ups. Personalized writing assistance. Compose AI adapts to your unique writing style over time, making its suggestions more personalized and aligned with your voice. As you continue to use the extension, it becomes your dedicated writing assistant, delivering suggestions that feel like they were crafted by you. Enhanced productivity and efficiency. By streamlining the writing process and offering real-time assistance, Compose AI boosts your productivity and efficiency. You'll spend less time searching for words and proofreading, freeing up valuable time to focus on other aspects of your work or simply enjoy more leisure time. Enhanced productivity and efficiency. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, academic papers, or any other form of content, Compose AI is your indispensable companion for creating clear, concise, and impactful writing. The second AI tool we have to introduce to you is Notion AI. Notion AI is a game-changing tool that brings the power of artificial intelligence to the popular productivity platform, Notion. Designed to revolutionize organization and data management, this innovative AI integration offers a host of solutions to address common productivity challenges. Problem 1. Unstructured data and information overload. With the increasing volume of data and information we encounter daily, organizing and managing it effectively can become overwhelming. Without a structured approach, finding specific information when needed becomes time-consuming and frustrating. Problem 2. Manual tagging and data organization. Manually tagging and categorizing data in Notion can be a tedious and repetitive task, taking away valuable time and energy that could be better spent on more creative and strategic work. Problem 3. Difficulty in analyzing and extracting insights. Understanding the patterns and insights buried within vast data sets can be a challenging task. Identifying trends and correlations often requires significant manual effort and data analysis skills. Solution 1. AI-powered data organization and tagging Notion. AI comes to the rescue by automatically understanding the content of your notes, tasks, and databases. Leveraging the capabilities of artificial intelligence, it suggests relevant tags and categories, streamlining data organization and saving you from the burden of manual tagging. Solution 2. Effortless and intuitive data search. Say goodbye to information overload. Notion AI enables you to find specific information quickly and easily. The AI-powered search function understands natural language queries, making it intuitive and efficient. You can now retrieve your data with just a few clicks, enhancing your productivity and workflow. Solution 3. Data-driven insights and analytics. Notion AI provides data-driven insights by analyzing and extracting patterns from your datasets. With automated data analysis, you gain valuable insights that can inform decision-making, project planning, and overall strategy. This empowers you to make informed choices and optimize your workflow. Solution 4. Personalized and contextual recommendations. Over time, Notion AI learns from your usage patterns and preferences, providing personalized recommendations and suggestions. This tailored experience ensures that you get the most relevant and contextually appropriate insights and organization, making Notion a truly intelligent and adaptive productivity platform. Embrace the power of AI and take your productivity to new heights with Notion AI. Say hello to organized and streamlined data management, effortless data analysis, and personalized productivity assistance. Experience a whole new level of efficiency and creativity as you harness the capabilities of Notion AI to supercharge your workflow and achieve more with less effort. Problem 4. Imperfect audio narration recording. Professional voiceovers with perfect tone and emphasis can be difficult, and fixing narration errors often requires re-recording entire sections. Solution 4. Perfect voiceovers with overdub. Descript AI's overdub feature is a game-changer in voice narration. You can correct and improve narration by typing changes directly into the transcript, and the AI magically edits the audio to match the written text. Achieve flawless voiceovers without re-recording and save valuable time in the editing process. Problem 5. Repeated filler words and sounds. Filler words like and can detract from the quality of your content and may require tedious manual editing. Solution 5. Filler word removal. Descript AI's filler word removal feature effortlessly identifies and eliminates filler words from your audio recordings. Enjoy smooth and seamless dialogue without the need for extensive editing. Problem 6. Eye contact in videos. Maintaining eye contact during video recordings can be challenging when reading from scripts or teleprompters. Solution 6. Eye contact in videos. Descript AI's eye contact feature leverages machine learning to create a natural appearance of eye contact in video presentations. Enhance the authenticity of your videos and captivate your audience with eye-catching engagement. Problem 7. Time-consuming subtitle and caption creation. Adding subtitles and captions manually to video content can be time-consuming and error-prone. Solution 7. Instant subtitles and captions. Descript AI automates subtitle and caption creation for your videos, ensuring accessibility and improving audience reach. Save time while making your content inclusive and accessible to a wider audience. Problem 8. Complex publishing process. The process of publishing your content across different platforms can be complicated and overwhelming. Solution 8. One-click publishing. Descript AI streamlines the publishing process with one-click integration with popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and SoundCloud. Easily distribute your content across multiple channels and reach your audience effortlessly. With Descript AI, you'll never need to struggle with time-consuming tasks like transcription, editing, or publishing again. Unlock the full potential of your creativity and effortlessly create engaging audio and video content with the power of artificial intelligence. Say hello to a new era of streamlined content creation and podcasting with Descript AI.